Hindus believe in rebirth, in life after death. For them, the soul is emotional, it takes from and is born again. This way, the soul grows. As the soul is abstract, so it cannot grow on its own. It needs a body to fulfill the unfulfilled desires to accomplish all the was no accomplished in the previous life, to pay for the wrong deeds and to be good, so that the next birth will be better, and this which can attain perfection, near perfection, and be feel from be normal cycle of birth and rebirth. Hindu Dharma teaches emotionality of the soul. It does not propound that this is the first and last born. Who is Hindu? Hindu must believe rebirth, and Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Shriti, Sahita, all kind of Rishi Granth, Arsa Granth, and material stage of God. The human soul is also a beginningless and endless entity which undergoes evolutionary process in the human form. It leads to once with God, the ultimate person of life. According to Hindu Dharma, the soul's journey does not come to an end with this life. Spiritual progress continues to be made through reincarnations on life alone, which sometimes is very short. The soul cannot gain perfection. Therefore, it takes many births before reaching moksha. Moksha means liberation by the teaching up by the teaching up, it take many by it teaching up rebirth. Hindu Dharma gives and hope in oneself, in one's faith, and for a bright future. Reincarnation is the means of the fulfillment of religious life, that is to attain moksha. The most important aspect of the concept of rebirth is the emotionality of soul. Hindus accept and are sure that their bodies matter mortal, and hence this is Hindu Dharma's important point, rebirth. Seriousable, but the soul, the living inner sees emotional and never dies. They get consolation that what they have failed to fulfill is the life, they will get another opportunity in next life to fulfill it.